Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rust on PS4. First, make sure your PlayStation 4 console has the latest system software installed for optimal performance. Then, head over to the PlayStation Store, search for Rust Console Edition, and complete your purchase and download. Once installed, you can launch the game directly from your PS4 home screen. Get ready to dive into a challenging survival experience with millions of other players. Once you're in the game, your first priority is survival. Start by gathering wood and stone from the environment. You'll need a lot of it. Use these resources to craft essential tools like a stone pickaxe and a hatchet. These tools will significantly speed up your resource collection. Next, find a safe spot and build a small, secure starter base to protect yourself and your initial items from other players and the harsh environment. As you progress, focus on upgrading your base with stronger materials like metal and armored doors to deter raids. Understanding the map and recognizing high-risk areas is crucial for avoiding hostile encounters. Consider forming alliances with other players. Teamwork can be incredibly beneficial for resource gathering, base defense, and raiding. Remember, Rust is a game of constant vigilance and strategic decision-making. Engaging with the Rust community can greatly enhance your experience. Many online forums and Discord servers offer valuable tips, group finding opportunities, and a chance to share your adventures. Continuous practice is key to mastering combat and building techniques. The more you play, the better you'll become at navigating the game's challenges. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.